Welcome back, fellow web enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of HTML and two essential elements for optimizing your website: favicons and page titles. Get ready to make your website stand out from the crowd. Let's get started. Hey there, I'm Vaibhav, and this is PlusCoder, where we explore all things web development. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our future episodes. Before we jump into the practical implementation, let's quickly understand what favicons and page titles are and why they're crucial for your website's success. First up, favicons. A favicon, short for favorite icon, is a small image that represents your website. It appears in different places, such as the browser tab, bookmarks, and when users save your site to their home screens on mobile devices. This tiny graphic can have a big impact on your website's branding and recognition. It helps users identify and remember your site easily, even when they have multiple tabs open. Just look at the difference. A favicon adds that extra touch of professionalism and visual appeal, making your website more memorable. Now that we understand the significance of favicons, let's see how to add one to our HTML document. Inside the head section of your HTML document, you'll need to insert the following code. Remember to save your favicon image file in the same directory as your HTML file, or provide the correct file path if it's stored elsewhere. Once you've added the code and saved your changes, you'll see your favicon in action. Voila, it's that simple. Now that we've got our favicon set up, let's move on to the next vital element: page titles. The page title is the text that appears on the browser tab when someone visits your website. It's also what shows up in search engine results, social media shares, and bookmarks. To set the page title, you need to include the following code within the head section of your HTML document. Replace "your page title goes here" with a concise and descriptive title that accurately represents your page's content. Once you've added the code and saved your changes, your page title will appear on the browser tab, providing context and relevance to your website. And there you have it, favicons and page titles in HTML. By implementing these simple but powerful elements, you're enhancing your website's branding, usability, and overall user experience. That's all for today's episode. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow web developers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Happy coding!